Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Today you will see how to crochet simple cord. I will begin my cord from the segment. For this, make a chain, continue, chain of 3 for the chain space, yarn over the hook twice, and make treble crochet. My ring is ready. Make 14 single crochet stitches into the ring. Make a chain. So make 7 single crochet on the one side and 7 single crochet on another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Work into the opposite stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the chain stitch to make a slip stitch. Let's crochet the trim. Make a chain of 2. This is the top of the stitch. There is the front loop and the back one. I will work with both loops. Insert the hook into the front loop, make a slip stitch, make a chain. Insert the hook into the back loop, make slip stitch, make a chain, and work with the front loop, make a slip stitch, chain, work with the back loop, make a slip stitch, chain, work with the front loop, make a slip stitch, chain, and work with back loop, make slip stitch. Slip stitch, chain, insert the hook into the back loop, make slip stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Work with front loop, chain, and work with back loop. Don't forget to make the chain stitch. Work with front loop, make slip stitch, chain, and work with back loop. Make a chain. Here what I have at this point. So keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete this segment with me. Insert the hook into the front loop, make a slip stitch, chain, and work with the back loop, make a slip stitch, make a chain, insert the hook into the first chain stitch. On the beginning of this round, make a slip stitch. My segment is ready. Here how it looks. It is very easy to make, perfect for beginners. Let's crochet the second segment. I will begin from the chain. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch that I did. Make single crochet. So I will crochet the next segment as the second one. Make chain of 3, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, make treble crochet into 2 loops of the single crochet. My base is ready. make a chain and 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 single crochet more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the trim. As I did before, chain of 2, work with front loop, make a slip stitch, chain, and work with back loop, make a slip stitch. Work with front loop, make a slip stitch, and work with back loop, make a slip stitch. Chain, make a slip stitch, chain and slip stitch. So work with front loop and back loop. So keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. I did the chain, so make a slip stitch into the front loop, make a chain and work with slip stitch into the back loop. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. My second segment is ready. Here how it looks. I have done 2 segments already. Let's begin the third one, and you should continue working with your own. Make a chain, then single crochet into the stitch that I did a slip stitch into. Chain of 3. Work with treble crochet into 2 loops of the single crochet. Make 14 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So keep working in this way as many times as you need for your project. So I did segments as many times as I needed. Once I have done the last chain stitch, make a slip stitch into the front loop, chain, and slip stitch into the back loop, chain. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain. You can leave a long piece of yarn to create jewelry. Pull it. Let's stop and look what I have done. You can create bracelet, necklace, or belt. It depends what kind of project you would like to get. It could be perfect for beginners. You just need to know how to crochet basic skills. Here how it looks on my hand. For this kind of project, you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please write comment below each video tutorial what you will get with me and where you will use my project. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching and good luck in crocheting. Bye!